Hello guys, basically I am showing what I'm going to do in my next video. These are a pair of Jordan 3 white cements I bought for $50. Actually less than that, around $45 and then $10 shipping, so around 50 bucks. So they're size 11 and they don't even look that bad. The next video I'm going to do is restoring these fully and making them look brand new. So just stay around for a little bit. I'll post the video at night, probably. I'm gonna do the video now, edit it, post it at night. So yeah, if you wanna see these being restored, just set a timer for like 1 o'clock or about 8 hours or so, and you will get this video. Cause I have been waiting for these shoes for maybe a month to arrive. So yeah, I'll basically just shut up, start making this video, and come back at 1 o'clock and you're good. Or just come back at like 8 hours. So yeah, bye bye. I'll show you cleaning these shoes. So yeah.